Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 11-in-1 USB hub that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but I will have to read everything that comes with this one because it comes packed with so many good features and so many good things that you can actually use for your home office setup, your productivity setup, your gaming setup, whatever you want, because this one is super fast for data transfer, but also super fast for charging devices like your laptop or your cell phone or your tablet, things you're gonna use every day. It is power, so you're not gonna have to connect this one only to a USB-C for data transfer and stuff, but also you will have to connect it to a power source because, as I was telling you before, it packs power, so it needs power. I'm gonna read it from here because, as I was telling you before, it comes with so many things like two USB 3.1 10 gigabytes per second, one USB-A 3.1 10 gigabytes per second, three USB-A 3.0 5 gigabytes per second, and then one USB 2.0 to a 480 megabytes per second. Then it also comes with two USB-C charging only for a 45 watts max power, meaning that that's going to give you fast charge. And then it also comes with 100 watts PD 3.0 USB-C, and of course the DC adapter. So let's actually plug it in and take a closer look. So I have it plugged in already. We can see that this one is a braided USB-C cable, which is always better. But I have to say that the power cable could be a little big. I want to say longer. It's not super long, so you probably have to have like a power source or something like that, like an extension cord. And then you can see all the ports over here. You have the USB-C PD over here on the side. You have the two USB-Cs over here. You have the 3.0s and the 2.0s, and you also have the two USB-C ports over here, which actually is telling me the watt consumption over there, which I think it is really good. Let me actually zoom out a little bit. I'm actually going to plug in this one right here, which is a separate phone that I have. You can see that this one is charging already, and it's telling me the number over here, which I do appreciate. That's actually really cool, just to tell me how much watts this one is giving. So it's oscillating between 10 and 15, which is the fast charge capabilities, which I think it is fantastic. And of course, at the same time, you can use it for plugging all the other devices. For example, for data transfer, you can just use this one right here that I have. So you can use any of the ports. Of course, the 3.10 is going to be faster, and that pop up really fast on my computer. And at the same time, you can use the other ones, like for example, the USB-C over here, with also for data transfer. This is just fantastic. You can do everything at once with 11.1 ports, of course, and also telling you the fast charge capabilities, and also compact enough to take with you on the go. I like it. I do recommend the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.